It just keeps my hair shiny, feeling fresh. Look at the difference it made, like it came back to life. Hi everyone, my name is Cynthia Dhimdis. I'm a hairstylist, a content creator, and I'm here with Hair.com to talk to you guys a little bit more about dry shampoo. So I'm sure you guys see so many dry shampoos out there and probably wonder which one is the best for me. So the great thing is Hair.com has a new dry shampoo discovery kit, which means it comes with 4 mini-sized dry shampoos, which is great to be able to try them out and test every single one out to know which is going to work best for you and your hair type. Also, it comes with some Hair.com swag, which I will talk a little bit later in the video. And I don't know about you guys, but I get so consumed with all these products and I just wish I could try them all out just to know which one's going to benefit me the best. So it's so perfect that it comes with a kit with all these dry shampoos so you guys can test them all out on yourself and be able to find your favorite one that works best for you and your hair. So let's get started. First, let's talk about Pureology Style and Protect Refresh and Go Dry Shampoo. This is great for those who have color and want to protect their color. I obviously have color in my hair, so I don't want something that's going to fade out the color. This has Pureology's anti-fade complex, which means it's going to prevent color from fading. It also has a full spectrum of UVA sunscreen, also helps absorb those oils and get rid of buildup, but great for giving movement to the hair and texture, kind of like a second day hair. I woke up like this type of hair. So it's a great refresher, great for color, and just making it more lively. It's a very soft, touchable feel. It just keeps my hair shiny, feeling fresh, and just adding that movement in my hair. Next, we have Biolage All-in-One Intense Dry Shampoo with Rice Starch. So this is your everyday typical dry shampoo as far as it's meant for really absorbing those oils, cleaning, refreshing, priming. The formulated blend of starches derived from rice and corn in this product is what's gonna really help absorb those heavy oils for all hair types. This is great if you're going on day 3 and 4 hair and really just need to get that scalp clean and feeling fresh. It's great for extending that life of your blowout. So it does have that white film when you spray it, and I personally love the ones that do have that white because it really helps absorb all the oils you have in your hair, and all you have to do is shake it like this and the white cast comes right off and you can't even feel it. This is a super flexible dry shampoo as well, and it just really makes your scalp feel super clean. I would have never noticed that I went 3 or 4 days without washing my hair. And yeah, this is the Biolage Intense Dry Shampoo with Rice Starch. So this is Matrix Total Results High Amplify Dry Shampoo. Great if you want to add life back into your hair. This is great for giving volume. For those who have hair on the finer side, I know it can get greasy a lot easier and you guys want to reach for that shampoo, but you can try something like this to just help bring your hair back to life and make it last a little longer. Also, for finer hair, it does tend to fall flat a lot faster, so a volumizing dry shampoo is perfect. So let me show you guys what I mean. So I spray it on my roots. I zhuzh it up. So I like to massage the product into my scalp. Look at the difference it made versus this one looks a lot flatter. Side looks like it came back to life. This one is the Matrix Total Results High Amplify Dry Shampoo. This is the Redken Deep Clean Dry Shampoo. This is for oil absorption, really getting in there and absorbing all those oils. A very deep clean. It instantly refreshes your look, great for even day 4 hair, and just helps save time and your style throughout the days. And I let it sit. I like to let dry shampoo sit for a little bit before getting in there and really shaking it up. That's just gonna help absorb all those oils and really make your dry shampoo perform. Now I just go in there, work the dry shampoo in my scalp. And you see all the white cast is gone. It brought my hair back to life. And I haven't washed my hair for 4 days. This is actually my 4-day hair. So this dry shampoo is perfect for me. But you guys can't even tell. I've been using all these dry shampoos in the kit and my hair does not even look like it's gone 4 days without washing. But I honestly like having all of them for different reasons. So kind of depending on what I'm going for that day, whether I want volume, whether I want deep absorption, whether I want an everyday type of refresher, they can all be useful for me depending on the day. So you guys can test out all those products to find out the perfect dry shampoo for you with Hair.com's new dry shampoo discovery kit. But also, if you come across this video and you found one that you feel like is going to be perfect for you, then you can also purchase full size at Hair.com. And also wanted to mention, if you guys do purchase a discovery kit, you guys will get a neon bag with some Hair.com scrunchies. First off, I'm obsessed with bags and this one has so much room. I don't know if you guys can tell in here, but I can tell it's flexible. You guys can fit a lot, hairbrushes, makeup, anything you guys want to travel with. You guys, it's so lightweight. You guys can see through it so you guys can see what's in it. Also these cute scrunchies, such a cute material, such pretty colors. I love dressing up my ponytails every time I do, just to make it a little more fancy. And yeah, they're so cute. You can wear a ponytail and a half up. I love getting extra goodies on top of any purchase. So I hope you guys like this video. Follow me at Cynthia Dhimdis Hair, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Hair.com. Let me know if there's anything else you guys would like to see. Make sure to leave it on the comments below, and thank you guys for watching.